Hey, welcome back. How y'all doing today? I'm back with the AWOW Mini PC. I was really curious to take this puppy apart and see what's under the hood. So let's dive in and see what's in this little guy. There we go. Oh wow. Look at that heat sink. It's aluminum, so we can't use thermal grizzly on it, but I wasn't sure what to expect for heat sink. And then look at that cute little fan. Oh, a cute little connector. Must be I see Wi-Fi connection right here, it looks like. Power button, USBs. Let's even figure out how to get the heat sink off so we can water cool it. Oh, I see some screws. Perfect. Looks like some sticky pad down here. Aha! Hidden under there, a screw. Same size as the other ones. Well, look at that. It's not even thermal paste, it's a thermal pad. Now, I did play once with a thermal pad, and it does work, but it's not as well. They thermal padded the Wi-Fi I see though, that's kind of cool. This looks like this is your memory. Memory, processor.
Where's the hard drive at in there?
Maybe that's the hard drive, yeah. Now, if that ain't one cute little chip, that is a cute processor.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Big old heat sink. Man, I am really curious, since this thing was running so hot, how much better it could possibly dissipate the heat with actual thermal paste. I only wish that heatsink wasn't aluminum so I can use the liquid metal thermal grizzly conducto nut. When I put this thing back together, I'm going to use a 24 karat IC diamond thermal paste and see if the thermal temperatures on the processor are any better with some really good thermal paste compared to a thermal pad. So I wonder if it'll come out of here now. Oh, sure does. Wow.
Pretty cool.
That is pretty cool, ain't it? Just wait till we freaking water cool this thing. Oh, that'd be even cooler. I came up with a crazy idea on how to cool this little atom processor. I'm really curious how good it'll do, how much better than a sign bench score of only 93 with some good cooling. So keep an eye out for that video coming up soon on this crazy experiment I'm going to do on this little mini PC. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.